Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to St. Albert, a city just northwest of Edmonton that blends deep history with a relaxed riverside pace. Set along the banks of the Sturgeon River, St. Albert has grown from a small mission settlement into one of Alberta's most desirable communities, known for its green spaces, strong sense of identity, and connection to the past. The story of St. Albert begins in the mid-19th century, when Father Albert Lacombe, a Roman Catholic missionary, arrived in the area in 1861. He established a mission to serve the Métis people who were already living and farming along the river. This settlement became one of the earliest European-founded communities in what is now Alberta, and it quickly grew into a cultural and agricultural hub. The Métis community played a central role in shaping St. Albert's identity. These families, of mixed Indigenous and European ancestry, developed a unique culture that blended traditions, languages, and ways of life. Farming lots were laid out along the river in long, narrow strips, a pattern that reflected French-Canadian settlement styles and can still be traced in parts of the region today. Religion and education were also foundational to the community. In 1865, the Mission Hill area became the center of activity, with the construction of churches and schools. The St. Albert Catholic Parish is recognized as the oldest Catholic parish in Alberta, highlighting the town's early role as a spiritual and cultural center. Growth began to accelerate in the mid-20th century, particularly after Edmonton expanded. St. Albert evolved into a suburban community, attracting residents who wanted proximity to the city while enjoying a quieter, more scenic environment. By 1977, it was officially recognized as a city, reflecting its rapid population growth and development. Today, St. Albert features an extensive network of parks and trails, many of which follow the curves of the Sturgeon River. These pathways connect neighborhoods, natural areas, and cultural sites, making it easy to explore the city. One of the highlights is the Red Willow Trail System, a series of interconnected trails that stretch for many kilometers. It's a defining feature of the city, offering access to forests, riverbanks, and open green spaces. The trail system reflects St. Albert's long-standing commitment to preserving nature within an urban setting. Another standout feature is the St. Albert Farmers Market, one of the largest outdoor farmers markets in Western Canada. Running for decades, it brings together local producers, artisans, and visitors, creating a lively atmosphere that reflects the region's agricultural roots and community spirit. Throughout the city, you'll find reminders of its past alongside modern development. Historic buildings, plaques, and preserved sites tell the story of early settlement, while new neighborhoods and amenities show how St. Albert continues to grow and adapt. It offers the convenience of city living, the calm of natural surroundings, and a strong connection to its origins. watching.